Hi guys, it's Tammy, and today is Vlogmas day 15, and I haven't been doing much. It's the morning, and Katie just left to go to a wedding, and Dennis is sleeping, and I'm sitting here knitting, and I am about to do my knitting podcast. So there's not much going on today. Honestly, the biggest thing of the day is that I'm hoping to finish a project. I hope. I don't know what yet. One of the two that I have on the needles, but I don't know. They're both pretty medium-sized projects, and I don't know that they're, like, I could finish them today, but we shall see. And what else? I don't even know if Kay's going to be home for dinner, so I'm not sure yet what I'm going to make for dinner. And, I mean, those are my big decisions. I also need to do my plan with me sometime today, and, of course, my video podcast for my knitting. So that is going to be what I do next, and I'm going to leave this open so that I can come back to it a little later maybe, and maybe I can let you know what progress I've made. But I think this might be a short video vlog today because I really don't have a lot going on, which is great for me but bad for you guys. So I will talk to you later. Bye. So I'm sitting here trying to knit, and this happened. How can I say no to this baby boy? Ah. Sorry, I'm holding this with one hand, and his tail whacked it, and it just made me knock it down. So, but what I was saying was, how can I say no to this sweet baby boy? He's so sweet and so cute, and he has his feet on my hand as I was knitting. So who am I to make him stop? I can't. I love him. So this is what my time right now is consisting of. And like I said earlier, I think this is really going to be a short podcast because I really haven't done much at all today. I did get my plan with me done. I did my vlog. I did my knitting vlog. I made dinner. Katie is still at the wedding. Dennis went over to his aunt's. So I am sitting here watching the Naughty Nitwits. And yes, the Naughty Nitwits. They are a funny, good podcast. If you guys haven't seen them, you might want to check them out because they're funny. And yeah, it's about 7 o'clock. Excuse me. I think that part of the reason that Fuzzy, and that's who this cat is, my goodness, excuse me, came up here is because he wants some food. So I have not fed them yet. I just now thought of that. So that might be why he's up here, but I don't even care. I will take it. And his brother is sleeping on the chair, and his other brother is sleeping on his bed over there. And it looks like Fuzz is falling asleep. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. I could do this all night watching him. Oh, he's adorable. Yes, you're adorable. I love you guys. All right, well, I'm going to let you guys go. Happy Vlogmas Day 15, and I will talk with you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.